Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. If you need a void check for your CIBC account to set up direct deposits or pre-authorized payments, here's how you can get it directly from the mobile app. So launch the mobile app on your smartphone, log in with your credentials of course. This is usually going to be username and password. You can also use Touch ID or Face ID if you want, and it's enabled. Once logged in, go to your account, checking or savings accounts from the main screen. Make sure you're viewing the accounts where you need the void check. After that, navigate to the account services section, typically located in the menu or as a separate tab. Tap on the direct deposit and pre-authorized payments option. After that, this will give you the option to either download or view a void check. You can download the void check. In the direct deposit pre-authorized payments section, you will see an option to download a void check for your accounts. Tap download void check or email void check, depending on your preference. And of course, you can also save it directly to your phone or email it to yourself. Once downloaded or emailed, you can also print it if you want. The void check will include your account number, branch number, and institution number marked as void. And also a small note, the CIBC void check will typically show all the necessary details such as account number, branch number, and institution number for setting up direct deposits or other payments. This is the easiest and the most efficient way to get this void check using the mobile app without needing to visit a branch. Guys, you're welcome. Hopefully this helps you out. Press like and subscribe. See you in the next one.